You probably think trees grow fast, but nothing compares to bamboo. Bamboo is one of the fastest growing plants in the world. One type of bamboo can grow up to 35 inches in a single day. That's almost as tall as a small child in just 24 hours. And some bamboo species can reach full size in only a few months. Because of this insane growth speed, bamboo even holds a world record for being one of the fastest growing plants. Nature seriously doesn't play fair sometimes. Subscribe for more fun facts.